Alright, now this is me. I let the chemical sit in for about 5 to 10 minutes at least. And then I'm spraying it down. And hopefully this is going to make a big difference. I'm going to check some other things as well before we put the unit back on. But so that's what's going on here. All right. Okay. I actually want to wet some of these too. Let me do this. Let me wet these as well. Just to give it get some of the water down. Come up here, just help spray some of the dust down or get them sticky. And it's better when it's wet. The dust will stay a little bit better. It doesn't fly around as much when it's wet. So there's some water on there. Water on here. There's some water on here. There's some water on there. There's some water all the way there. So just move my coat. Careful. This roof gets slippery. There you go. Now, there's some more water on there. There's some water on here. It's gonna help get the dust down. And once it dries, you can clean it all up. But that's the temporary fix for now to get to the bottom of this situation. The AC unit, I mean, it's working fine. The professionals have been here. They've done what I've done. But because we just installed these, I'm also doing what they did one more time. And we'll see how well that works. Okay.